hardly becomes me. This game of cruelty is easily the most boring part of the week. Why can't you say to me I mean something to you? 'Cause everybody sees that this is the thing you do to me. Oh, everybody sees that this is the thing you do to me. Think I'm living it up in the spotlight. You think I'm living it up. It's a lie. Who's next in your journal of honesty? Private, yes, but I